In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Trello board template. Whether you're collaborating with a team or simply want to replicate a board layout for repeated projects, making and sharing a Trello board template is a straightforward process. Let's dive into it. First, make sure that your board is actually set as a template. To do this, head over to your Trello board. You'll see a three dots icon located on the top right corner of the board. Go ahead and click on that icon. This is where you'll find various board settings and options. You might also recognize this menu for other board functionalities. Once you click on it, look for the option labeled Make Template. Click on this. What this does is it converts your current board into a reusable template. It's a simple click, but it sets the groundwork for sharing your board layout effectively with others. Now you've got your board as a template, and we're ready to proceed to the sharing steps. Next, focus your attention on the Share button, also positioned at the top right of the board. Clicking on this button will open up more sharing options. You're looking for the Create Link option within this menu. This function generates a unique URL for your template, making it accessible to others. Once you select Create Link, you'll see a confirmation, along with an option to copy link. Click on Copy Link to save this URL to your clipboard. This means you can now paste it wherever you need, whether it's in an email, a chat message, or any platform that supports URL links. Just a simple paste and send, and your template is well on its way to the recipient. When the person you're sharing it with opens the link you've sent, they'll be guided to your Trello template board. To use it, all they need to do is click the Create Board from Template button that's conveniently located at the top of the board. This option allows them to easily duplicate your template under their own Trello account, ready to customize and use as needed. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully shared your Trello board template. This simple process not only enhances collaboration by providing a standardized starting point for projects, but also saves time for everyone involved by eliminating the repetitive task of recreating similar boards. So go ahead and empower your team or colleagues by sharing your carefully crafted Trello templates today. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.